Hey everyone, here we go with the January edition of the Trading Card Zone official football group break. This month we're going to be breaking a box of 2013 Limited, 2013 Contenders. We have a 2011 Gold Standard, 2011 Absolute Memorabilia, and a inner case of 2012 Prime Signatures. Since no one said anything, I chose to do it newest to oldest. So we're going to get things started first with the box of 2013 Contenders. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Mike? We're looking for what? 5 autographs in this, I think. Get over there. Empty box. And here we go. Pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Right on the top, Andrew Luck. Show one of these base cards. This is a little different design this year than what we're used to seeing. Looks nice. Andrew Luck, Antonio Brown, touchdown tandems of Matt Schaub and Andre Johnson, a T.Y. Hilton, a Calvin Johnson, and we're probably going to get one of these in every pack, I assume. Pack number 2. Stephen Ridley, Matt Schaub, Mike Glennon, Rookie of the Year Contenders, Deshaun Jackson, and Anquan Bolden. Danny Amendola, Rashard Mendenhall. Our first auto is a Jerron Brown rookie auto for the Cardinals. That'll be randomed off. Mike Wallace and a Christian Ponder. Chad Henne, Joe Flacco, DJ Swearinger auto for the Texans. That'll go to Rigo Tovar. Darrelle Revis and a Ray Rice. I'm sure Rigo appreciate that one. Maurice Jones-Drew, a CJ Spiller, around numbers of Luke Joeckel and Eric Fisher. Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice, and what are these? Kid Reporter cards. Neat. We'll send all those to Scotty for participation. Des Bryant, Arian Foster, around numbers of Bjorn Werner and Barkevius Mingo, Jay Cutler, James Jones, and a Kid Reporter. Well, I hope I said that Bjorn guy's name right, or Mark's going to be upset at me. RG3, Tony Romo, a Sharif Floyd auto for the Vikings, another random. Deshaun Jackson, another Anquan Bolden. Brandon Marshall, Cam Newton, Vincent Jackson, Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice, and a Kid Reporter. Andre Johnson, Benjarvis Green Ellis, Tavon Austin, Rookie of the Year Contenders, Reggie Bush, Mark Ingram, and a Kid Reporter. Antonio Brown, Steven Jackson, round numbers of Niall Davis and Mike Glennon. Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman, and a kid reporter. Steven Jackson, Brandon Marshall. Are you kidding? Another Jerron Brown auto for the Cardinals. Eric Decker and a Chris Givens. 2 autos in the same guy, same box. That's great. Somebody should have, huh? Yeah, I think it's the exact same card. Jonathan Stewart, Carson Palmer, Nile Davis. That one's on card auto for the Chiefs. Mike Wallace and Christian Ponder. I believe that is 5 autos. So unless we've got extras, this is going to be a long second half of this break. Brandon Marshall, Cam Newton, Vincent Jackson, Jordy Nelson, and Trent Richardson. Alfred Morris, Miles Austin, a Kenny Stills draft class, Stephen Hill, and a Peyton Manning. Richard Mendenhall, Marcus Colson, Ryan Tannehill, Sam Bradford, Alex Smith. Jake Locker, Justin Blackman, Tyler Wilson auto for the Raiders. Jacoby Ford and Eddie Royale. Chris Johnson, Bilal Powell, Mario Williams, Golden Tate, and LaShawn McCoy. I don't know about a hot box. We got one more auto than advertised so far, but there could be more. Steve Johnson, Reggie Wayne, and RG3 MVP contenders. Russell Wilson, Mike Vick. I haven't seen any of these boxes open. They may all have 6 or 7 autos. I really don't know. Terrell Pryor, Phillip Rivers, Rookie of the Year contenders, Le'Veon Bell, Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers. Troy Polamalu, Eli Manning, Ryan Griffin auto for the Saints. Colin Kaepernick and Brandon Whedon. Hakeem Nicks, Andy Green, Tom Brady, Greg Little, and Lamar Miller. Matt Forte, Steve Smith, the legendary contenders, Dan Marino, Jared Cook, and Jamal Charles. Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Jordan Reed draft class, Greg Jennings, Chris Ivory. Step Cousins, DeMarco Murray, Kenny Britt, Andre Johnson, short print out of 99. Demarius Thomas and a Darren McFadden. Last pack. Dougie Martin, Pierre Garçon for the Seahawks. Luke Wilson auto. That'll go to Troy. Ben Roethlisberger and Julio Jones. We'll have a quick recap. For the Seahawks, Luke Wilson auto. For the Saints, we had a Ryan Griffin, Tyler Wilson for the Raiders, a Nile Davis for the Chiefs, a Jerron Brown for the Cardinals, ×2. That's a good time. DJ Swearinger for the Texans, and a Sharif Floyd for the Vikings.